What's going on, guys? So, another Audio Legion review and test. These are the ME6s. So these are the 6.5 inch, but with a standard dust cap instead of a bullet. So if you watch the other ones and these are the ones that you want, definitely check this video out. These are a mid-range speaker. These come in at 100 RMS per pair. 8 ohm, 90.8 dB for sensitivity. I love their packing. Always fancy. Oh, look at them. So beautiful. If you're looking to build a stump wall, put these on side by side or something, I can already tell you I recommend them. They sound great. But, as always, guys, we got to do the low RMS test. So we are running a dual head unit, which puts anywhere from 15 to 30 RMS out, depending on voltage, model, and ohm load. These being 8, they're going to put out a little less power. And this is to simulate a kid that just got a vehicle, is upgrading the door speakers on it, doesn't have a whole lot of money, and just wants some sound. Or if you put it on an ATV or a golf cart where you don't need a whole lot of power. That's not really in there that well. Those are a little bit thinner, but I don't want to bend my terminals down anymore. So let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Definitely have more low range than the other ones. 120 compared to 145 hertz starting. That sounds good. Someone else I miss, but I know you miss yourself too. Unspoken, there's only so much holding on. You can't take when
you know that terrible feeling when you wake up and realize you forgot to charge your phone?
These are pretty impressive. Inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I felt so
watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when
Alright, that was very impressive. Those actually did a lot better than these 6.5s with the bullet, in my opinion, for low range and just overall sound. The other ones did get higher and sound more crisp, but if you're looking for a budget, these rock. These are not bad at all. They're a rock solid option for if you've already got tweeters, or you just don't care about that and you want to do a stunt wall without tweeters, or whatever it may be. Mid-range wise, these things are awesome. They sound great. I was thoroughly shocked on that. I really thought the bullets were going to sound better. But hey, we don't know everything. And, honestly, compared to the Timpanos that I got, that I did a video on, I think these get louder and sound better at a low voltage. So these having the same RMS coming to them, about the same build quality and everything, these things sound a lot better in my opinion, and that's kind of shocking. Now, longevity-wise, who knows? They're pretty much built the same way. Same dust cap, same surround, same foam, probably the same magnet. I'd have to actually compare them. Very similar size. But in my opinion, these things sound great. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly speaker, definitely check out the Audio Legion ME6 8 ohms.